the #1 Bing search. Okay? Believe it. Anyway, guys, let's get serious. I'm gonna play some Pac-Man today. Okay, so I found this. Oh, dang it, I already died. Okay, I couldn't even control it. I found this, not that long ago. It seems pretty cool. I played it a few times because my recording keeps messing up. So obviously this is my first video, so if you like the video, please subscribe if you feel the need to. Yeah, you will. You will. Mark my words, you will. Okay, anyway, let's get playing. We're already losing, we already lost a life, so we can't lose another one. I mean, I don't wanna be that newbie now, okay? So, let's get to the left side. Down the long road, killing the boss. With the little girls being big douches doing nothing, just sitting there. I'm gonna eat them. Okay. Go with your eyeballs! But only to get the memory that I killed you. And then you'll try to kill me again, but then I'll kill you again. And I'll keep killing you until you die. Again and again and again. Okay, let's keep playing. Only one thing left. The G. Not the other G, because Google keeps missing one letter for some reason. Okay, let's get here. Woo! Look at those eyeballs in their mouth. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. So beautiful. So beautiful. That mouth staring at us. Being a boss. Okay, let's get this. The Super Ball. Whatever it's made of. I don't know. It makes ghost yummy, so I guess peanut butter. Um Chocolate. Oh my god, it's Nutella. Yes, it's Nutella. Let's call it that. It's Nutella. If you guys don't know what Nutella is, then look it up and then buy some and then enjoy it and ask yourself why you haven't bought it. Then eat it over and over again until you get fat. Yeah, and then you will die with it with a happy thought, no regrets, because you had some Nutella in your life. Now I feel like I'm being sponsored, which I'm not. That's stupid. There's only like 3 people gonna see this. Okay, so let's continue with the Pac-Man. Let's get that, eat that. 200 points. Let's get the 1600. Okay, okay. If you guys don't know, that's what the points you get with the first ghost. Man, I keep breathing on my mic. I'm the reason people invented mute buttons. Okay, so got annoying. Oh look, there's a sound. Okay, let's get back to business. That's either a coconut, a potato, or fruit of some kind. The little down thing. Wait, I think there's a little, I don't know, wave or something. Every time I click something, I'm gonna click it. Where's my mouse? Okay, click this. Hopefully it worked. Or just look at my mouse cursor. Yeah, that's it. Third level. Cherry, strawberry, something. I don't know what that is. Oh, dang it. Dang it. Third level, and we already lost all of our lives. Only one more. Let's keep working on it. We're the best around. Nothing's gonna push us down. We're the best around. Nothing's gonna push us down. Okay, so if you guys think this game is fun, then come play with me. It's gonna be fun. We'll go over it. Oh, dang it! Wait, see you in a bit. Okay, guys. Oh my god, I can't even say it. That's got to be the stupidest thing ever. I mean, I say gonna be back 1 second later. Hey guys, I'm back. That's so convenient for you. Good thing God invented pause buttons so we could all watch stuff comfortably and not have to skip through the YouTube. Okay, let's get this Nutella jar. Let's get this little um stuff. I don't know what the other things are. Let's call them um um yeah, that's as far as my creativity goes. Okay, let's go to the other side. Oh my god, the cherry. I gotta get that. No, 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 no. We're surrounded. No, no. Sorry guys, I couldn't get the cherry. At least I tried. You guys are proud of me, right? Okay, let's keep trying. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna push you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna push you down. We. Okay, let's get this. No, I'm gonna be such a boss and probably fail. I'm gonna be. I'm just gonna skip through a bunch of stuff and try to get that. Try to challenge ourselves. If we lose on this, let's just restart. Yeah, we got it. We got it. We have it. We got it. Okay, let's get the other stuff. Thing. Eat a bunch of stardust or whatever that is. Mm, mm. Didn't get that one, but nobody cares. Okay, let's get. Oh no, dang it, I ain't getting that jar. Come. Okay. No. That strawberry doesn't want us to eat it. Just, just mucked us and say, "Oh, goodbye." Oh wait. Yes, we ate the Nutella not once. Yay! We got 300 points or whatever. What does this even mean? So we're not dying, and we're pro and not dying, and then no, yes, yes, yes. What you gonna do about it, ghost? I'm gonna eat all of you, all of you, all of you until you die. No, 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 no. Yes. Ah, almost died. Almost died. Almost died. I'm so good at this. Go, 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 go. Okay, let's go through this. Dun 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 in your face. Okay, we're at the third level and we haven't even lost yet. Oh my god. This is it, guys. This is it. The day we get to the third level. Wait, we already. Okay, fourth level, because we can. Let's get through this. Wait, I have to do something. Let me just pause it and I'll be right back. Guys, we lost. Surprise, surprise. Okay, but you know what? We can do it. We can do it. If we believe in ourselves. What? This two player? Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Okay. Oh dang it. Okay. I guess you lose faster. Okay, let's try to do it evenly like this. Nah, I'm just kidding. I'm not that cool. Okay. Let's get this. Can do it. Oh cool. I'm not even trying. Yes you are. Okay, whatever. No. I guess it was kind of my fault. I could have gotten that peanut butter jar or Nutella jar, whatever you wanna call it, with my Pac-Man anytime sooner. But you know I didn't. Okay, let's get through this. Okay. Did I just breathe? Okay. Let's get to it. Yeah! Yeah. I saved myself. Yeah. Yes! Your face. Okay, let's get.